Good afternoon. This is a quick video on how to nest with spreadsheets. See, I have my parts here with their part IDs, and we've talked about changing these part IDs from the dimensions to the actual product code, so that if the dimensions change, we don't need to change the product IDs. But once we've got our parts on the canvas, we can go import all geometry. And you'll see I get a list of all the parts with the quantity set to 1. I could also import different files and different folders full of files if that's required. That may be the easier route down the road. Once that's done, we want to put our spreadsheet into here, and I'm going to load a spreadsheet node that I've made previously, so that's all configured. I'm just going to go node, import, and I'm going to select the spreadsheet quantity file. Now that's done, I'm going to go ahead and just check I've got the right spreadsheet, so I can open the spreadsheet from wherever it might be. Once I've got the right spreadsheet, I can go validate, and you'll see it's matched all the different rows. It's read the product code, which matches what's in the geometry, and also the total here. Notice that we're doing a little bit of math here to work out the total quantity, because we need 2 of each panel to form a KS10, and we want 10 KS10, so we need 20 in total. So the columns here, you've got matched. This is what geometry matched the rows in here, or which rows match geometry. You've got some that are unmatched, that is, there's geometry in the file which doesn't match the spreadsheet, and we're going to zero those. You see zero quantity, and we're going to set the quantity for the matched one. The thing to worry about is whether you have any unmatched rows in the center here, because that means you are requiring geometry which you don't have. But since there's none of that, we can just go ahead and say import. You'll get the message here saying imported 27 over 12 parts, which is correct. So I can close all that. I've now got my parts. You see some of them now have 0, so there's none of those in our spreadsheet. And then we have some of them with 10s and 20s as required. Once I've done that, I can then go ahead and create my sheet. Again, I can either load a sheet that I've made earlier, or I can just create a new sheet. I'm just going to say I've got 10 sheets, and they're just standard 8x4 sheets. So once that's done, I can go ahead and make a nest. I can either hit that one, or I can go onto the nest tab, and I can choose the settings that I need, either a save template, or otherwise just press enter the details. And I can go ahead and make a nest. Should be as straightforward as that. Down the road, we'll be adding the ability to do multiple material nests at the same time, but that will be in the next release of ZebraCut. Thank you very much.